बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम।
इंटरनेशनल इस्लामिक यूनिवर्सिटी इस्लामाबाद में सेमेस्टर फ़ाल 2021 के एडमिशन स्टार्ट हो चुके हैं। आज की वीडियो में हम देखेंगे कि किस किस डिपार्टमेंट के कौन कौन से सब्जेक्ट के एडमिशन स्टार्ट हुए हैं, कौन से प्रोग्राम मेल के लिए और कौन से प्रोग्राम फ़ीमेल के लिए ऑफ़र हुए हैं और एडमिशन की अप्लाई करने की लास्ट डेट कब तक होगी। इंटरनेशनल इस्लामिक यूनिवर्सिटी इस्लामाबाद प्रोग्राम्स ऑफर्ड एडमिशन फॉल 2021, Faculty of Arabic, Department of Linguistics, PhD Arabic Literature and Linguistics, male and female, MS Arabic Literature and Linguistics, male and female, BS Arabic 4-year, male and female, Department of Translation and Interpretation, MS Translation Studies 2-year, male and female, BS Translation and Interpretation 4-year, male and female, Faculty of Basic and Applied Sciences, Department of Computer Science and Software Engineering, PhD Computer Science 3-year, male and female, MS Computer Science 2-year, male and female, BS Software Engineering 4-year, male and female, BS Information Technology 4-year, male and female, BS Computer Science, male and female, Department of Mathematics and Statistics, PhD Statistics 3-year, male, PhD Mathematics 3-year, male and female, MS Statistics 2-year, male and female, MS Mathematics 2-year, male and female, BS Statistics 4-year, male and female, BS Mathematics 4-year, male and female, Department of Physics, PhD Physics 3-year, male, BS Physics 4-year, male and female, Department of Environmental Sciences, PhD Environmental Sciences 3-year, male and female, MS Environmental Sciences 2-year, female, BS Environmental Sciences 4-year, male and female, Department of Biological Sciences, PhD Biotechnology 3-year, male, MS Biotechnology 2-year, male and female, BS Biology 4-year, male and female, BS Biotechnology, male and female, MS Environmental Sciences 2-year, male and female, MS Chemistry 2-year, male, MS Biosciences 2-year, female, Faculty of Engineering and Technology, Department of Electrical Engineering, PhD Electrical Engineering 3-year, male and female, MS Electrical Engineering 2-year, male and female, BSc Electrical Engineering Technology 4-year, male, BS Electrical Engineering 4-year, male and female, Department of Mechanical Engineering, PhD Mechanical Engineering 3-year, male, MS Mechanical Engineering 2-year, male, BS Mechanical Engineering 4-year, male, BSc Mechanical Engineering Technology 4-year, male, Department of Civil Engineering, BSc Civil Engineering Technology 4-year, male, BS Civil Engineering, male, Faculty of Asuluddin Islamic Studies, PhD Asuluddin Islamic Studies, specialization in Hadith and its sciences, comparative religions, Aqidah and philosophy, Dawa and Islamic culture, Seerah and Islamic history, Tafsir and Quranic sciences 3-year, male and female, BS Asuluddin Islamic Studies 4-year, male and female, Faculty of Languages Literature, Department of English, PhD English 3-year, male and female, MS English 2-year, male and female, BS English 4-year, male and female, Department of Urdu, PhD Urdu 3-year, female, BS Urdu 4-year, male and female, Department of Persian, MS Persian Language and Literature 2 year, male and female. BS Persian Language and Literature 4 year, male and female. Faculty of Management Sciences, Department of Management. PhD Management Sciences 3 year, male and female. MS Supply Chain Management 2 year, male and female. MS Management Sciences 2 year, male and female. MBA Executive 2 year, male and female. MBA 2 year, male and female. BS Project Management, male and female. BS Commerce 4 year, male and female. BS Business Intelligence 4 year, male and female. BS Accounting and Finance 4 year, male and female. BBA 4 year, male and female. BBA 2 year, male and female. Faculty of Social Sciences, Department of Education. PhD Education 3 year, male and female. MS Education Specialization in Educational Leadership and Management ELM. Teacher Education 2 year, male and female. BS Education 4 year, male and female. B.Ed Honors Elementary Education 4 year, male. Department of History and Pakistan Studies. MS History 2 year, male. BS Pakistan Studies 4 year, male and female. BS History 4 year, male and female. Department of Media and Communication Studies. MS Media and Communication 2 years, male and female. BS Media and Communication 4 year, male and female. Department of Politics and International Relations. MS Political Science 2 year, male and female. MS International Relations 2 year, male. BS Political Science 4 year, male and female. BS International Relations 4 year, male and female. Department of Psychology. Post Magisterial Diploma in Clinical Psychology 1 year, male and female. MS Psychology 2 year, male and female. BS Psychology 4 year, male and female. Department of Sociology. PhD Sociology 3 year, female. MS Sociology 2 year, male and female. BS Sociology 4 year, male and female. Department of Islamic Art and Architecture. BS Islamic Art and Architecture. Design Painting 4 year, male and female. Department of Anthropology. BS Anthropology 4 year, female. International Institute of Islamic Economics. School of Economics. PhD Economics 3 year, male and female. MS Economics 2 year, male and female. BS Economics 4 year, male and female. School of Islamic Banking and Finance. PhD Islamic Banking and Finance 3 year, male and female. MS Islamic Banking and Finance 2 year, male and female. BS Islamic Banking and Finance 4 year, male and female. Department of Economics and Finance. MS Economics and Finance 2 year, male and female. BS Economics and Finance 4 year, male and female. Faculty of Sharia and Law. Department of Sharia. LLM Sharia and Law 2 year, male and female. BA LLB Honors Sharia and Law 5 years, मेल एंड फीमेल। इन सब प्रोग्राम्स में अप्लाई करने की लास्ट डेट 30 जुलाई 2021 है।